As we continue our way north through the state of Michigan, we are met with smoky skies due to the fires in eastern Canada. While there has been a severe lack of rain lately, we hope the fires will be controlled soon, and our thoughts are out to any viewers who may be in harm's way. Join us as we explore Petoskey State Park, and welcome to Living Large Camping. One night we got what seems like a water spot here at Petoskey State Park. We've heard a lot of good things about this place. Even some of y'all recommended it to us. So I'm glad we were able to get up this far and excited to see this area.
A little more. Okay. All good.
All good? Perfect.
Ew.
This thing's disgusting. It's been covered in pollen for the last week, and we also drove at night the other day, and there are a ton of bugs out, so we have a nice thick layer. We're way overdue for a wash.
Oh yeah. Lots of pollen, lots of bugs. Poor Truckee needs some help. Do you want to come out, Bark? So we just pulled into our spot at Petoskey State Park. Like Connor said, we got a lot of suggestions and we are so happy to be here in northern Michigan. I want to show you guys our site, and then I think we're going to go walk the rest of the campground and show you guys that because it is pretty big.
There are 180 sites here, and this park is just over 300 acres, so it's rather big. A lot of it is right here on the coast of Lake Michigan, which is really pretty. It was $38 a night, and we just pulled up. We didn't have a reservation, but we knew that they had availability since it's a Monday. So yeah, it's about half full here right now. Let's go see what other campers are here.
Gorgeous.
Okay, so just steps away from our campsite, we have Lake Michigan right here. It is the third largest of the Great Lakes. This spot is absolutely gorgeous, and it is a little hazy today. I don't know if you can tell, but I looked it up and it seems like there's some fires up in Canada, so I think the winds have kind of blown the smoke over here. So hopefully that'll clear up later, but not really sure. This is west facing, so we may even get a good sunset tonight. Hopefully so. What do you think?
He loves it. So where we are camping, it is very shaded and a lot of trees, but they also have this open area that have no trees, and it seems like it's bigger rig friendly. So that's kind of good to know if you have a bigger rig and you want to camp here. So there you go. So we just walked one of the two campground loops here. We are in Tannery Creek. I think that's how you say it, campground. So that's the one that we just walked and showed you guys. There's a couple spots that are open, so it's not too busy right now. It's early in the summer season, so that's good for us. But we have no groceries right now, and they did tell us at the front that there is a local little grocery store outside of the park. So I think we're gonna get our bikes out and go bike over there and see what they have for us to make for dinner tonight.
We really haven't used our bikes very much since we left Florida, so I'm excited to be on them again. And this place is like just under a mile away, so we could walk, but we figure we might as well take the bikes. And since we'll only be gone for a little bit of time, we're gonna leave Barkley, that way we can put all of our groceries in the backpack.
Someone's a little upset. Ready to rock and roll? Alright, so we unfolded our bikes and we're ready to go. We're gonna try our best to film on the way there. Our GoPro is dead, so we can't use that, and it's very hard filming while also biking on these heavy guys, so we'll do what we can. But if not, we'll see you guys when we get there. Helmet check. I matched my bike.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.
See ya. Okay.
Package secured.
Good enough. It's kind of difficult to ride and film last time, but we got our full bag of groceries and we'll just pick you guys back up at the campsite.
That store was really cute. We just got back from it. We picked up some curry chicken salad, which sounds incredible. We also got some chips to go with our salsa that we already have, and some chicken for dinner. So we're gonna figure out what we're gonna make with that later. But for now, we're gonna dive into just a little lunch snack and enjoy the quiet woods.
Yeah, it was pretty nice. It was kind of hard to cross the road, mainly because it was so busy right now, but being less than a mile away, they had kind of all the necessities that you would need. It's not really a campground store, but it looks more like a local grocery store, and they had some good stuff, so I'm excited to try our lunch.
Yum.
We've just been enjoying some time here. This park is very quiet, which has been great. It's a Monday, so a lot of the weekend crowd is cleared out, and that's usually whenever we like to relax and just enjoy some peace and quiet, really. I think now we're just gonna read for a little bit. It's cooling down. I think the low is like mid-50s tonight, which is feeling really, really nice. And we're just loving this place. It's a beautiful park so far, and yeah. Well, we enjoyed some nice time relaxing outside, but we're both getting pretty hungry. We're gonna have an earlier dinner because we didn't really eat lunch today, and we picked up some chicken breast, cabbage, we have some zucchini and cucumber, and rice. We're gonna make a little Asian type stir fry, and we're gonna cook inside because there's a bunch of bugs coming out right now. So we're gonna get all that stuff fired up, and it's gonna be a tasty dinner.
To go with our Asian meal tonight, we wanted to create a spicy mule with whiskey. We picked up this little mix at a farmer's market, so it's our first time trying it. Cheers! Not bad. Wow, somehow I made Connor's way spicier than mine. Same jalapeno, but I guess I gave him the spicier part of it.
Oh my god, I can't feel my lips. Tastes good though.
Sorry.
It's time to start cooking. Pretty good. We didn't know what we were going to cook whenever we walked into the little grocery store today, and I think it turned out pretty great. Don't have too much of a water view from this spot, and these spots are relatively close together, so we're just going to hang out inside, get away from the bugs, and have a great dinner.
Saw you paint a picture of a face.
So we came down here to the water because the sky started to get really colorful and pretty, and the second we got over here, nothing.
Crazy. Like he said, there are still some fires up in Canada, and obviously you can kind of see that still here. On the weather app, I saw a fire warning, so hopefully no fires happen here in Michigan, but yeah, you can see it's pretty hazy.
There's a little bit of color.
Give you the world like I promised I would. Even though you wouldn't do the same. I give you the world like I promised I would. Even though you wouldn't do the same.
What are you doing?
Had this conversation.
Since we are pretty close to the restrooms, I figured while I'm going to wash my face there, I'd give you guys a bathroom review. So let's go check them out.
After 9, I still wish you were mine.
Okay, so I just washed my face. So here are the sinks. There are several sinks, as you can see, and mirrors, lots of soap, and a hand dryer. Not very strong, but that's okay. Trash can, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bathroom stalls. It's pretty solid. I mean, it's a very big campground, so it makes sense. With all of that, I would say that's a pretty good amount of sinks with soap and restrooms. They also have individual showers outside, which is huge compared to the South Carolina campground I reviewed that had the very thin shower curtains. there is your own individual door at that shower, so that is a huge win. Honestly, they're pretty clean. Feels pretty nice in here, so I'd give this one a 9 out of 10. The only thing's the hand dryer, so way to go, Michigan. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and if you think that was too harsh or too nice. This feels nice.
Well, we're exhausted, guys.
We'll see you guys in the morning. Good night.
Good night. Want your breakfast? Want your breakfast?
So hard to see from the moment we arrived. Cornelia.
We hope you enjoyed coming along with us at Petoskey State Park.
This is such a special area. I think it's so beautiful. There's some really cute little towns around here, so I'm really excited to explore more. We hope you guys have enjoyed seeing this part of the country with us. I think it's a pretty great place, and I definitely think we can spend a lot of time here.
Michigan has a lot to offer with the lakes, beaches, forest, and trails, so we hope to take you guys along with us doing all of that.
If you're still watching at the end of this video, hope you will hit that subscribe button and join us as we continue traveling the country in our truck camper. We love it. We've got all kinds of stuff planned for the coming months, so we hope you guys will stick around. And until then, we'll see you next video. Hope you guys have a large day.
Bye guys, thanks for watching.